Modern industry companies benefit from robotic systems, but only if the interaction between operational utilization, error rate, and monitoring and analysis costs work. But if the balance is disrupted, the company loses time and money. The solution is E.RAMP, the holistic analysis and monitoring software. E.RAMP enables companies with high complex robot systems to reach maximum efficiency and utilization of the robots. E.RAMP analyzes the robot data on 3 levels: the fleet, robot, and mission level. The tool creates important operational figures like driven kilometers, executed missions per day, or the spent time in the different robot states. The AI tool builds motion profiles and also shows the most used and critical routes. Also, error positions and waiting hotspots are shown in a map. The dashboard shows the status of the fleet, a robot, or the missions. The data can be analyzed in real time. The dashboard displays also recent incidents, so you can react immediately. E.RAMP stores the recorded robot data securely in the cloud. The tool has a web front end and is accessible with a standard browser from every location with an internet connection. The installation of E.RAMP is very easy and can be done without a production outage. E.RAMP has a flexible data interface and can be used manufacturer independent. Only the data collector needs to be adapted according to the AGV or AMR type. Use the full potential of your robot fleet with E.RAMP. For more information, visit eramp.sccat.de or send us directly an email to eramp@sccat.de.